Hello
Hey,
everyone! Welcome to our channel.
Welcome to our channel. Okay.
Today we are going to show you how to make jalapeno poppers. So we have three main ingredients.
First one, the first one is the jalapenos.
So we have jalapenos.
Big fat jalapenos. Okay.
And we got bacon.
Bacon. And we have Philadelphia
Cream cheese.
cream cheese with 1/3 less fat. I don't know if that matters. Since 1872. Anyway.
Are you endorsing it?
Yeah, we're endorsing it. Are we getting paid?
So anyway, we're going to start how to make it. So we have to cut it into half. So we all cut it into half.
So are you going to use a spoon to scoop out the seeds?
Yes.
Or you don't use a little knife?
I'll do this.
Okay, so she's going to use a little spoon to scoop out the seeds. Sometimes I use a little knife.
Okay, so I have to scoop the seeds out.
Okay, I'm just here to supervise. I'm the sous chef for
Scoop
today's
it
project.
out. So when you scoop it out, and then you have to stuff it with cream cheese.
Cream cheese. I used a knife.
Cream cheese.
I think a knife is easier. So you scoop and I'll stuff.
And then wrap it with bacon.
Aren't you doing the whole thing? Are you only doing a half of one?
Half of one only.
Oh, you're doing the half style.
Yeah.
I thought you were doing the whole jalapeno style.
Because we have a lot of bacon.
Is this all the jalapenos?
Just like that. Yeah.
Here, you gotta do that. You're better at that. You start scooping and I'll start stuffing. Okay.
Okay. So you can use a spoon or knife to stuff your jalapeno with cream cheese.
If you're really sophisticated, you use a knife, a butter knife. Okay, so these are just basic jalapeno poppers. You can get them at restaurants, stuffed with all kinds of different stuff. But just to make a quick and easy treat for the house, you know, to eat at home, these are bomb.
It's very simple to make. So some people they use grill.
Yeah, when you say jalapeno poppers, there's a lot of different ways to make them. So, you know, you go to a bar or restaurant, they have them breaded and, you know, they put them in they deep fry them, which probably isn't real good for you. They're tasty, but not as tasty as these.
So today we're gonna cook oven to cook the poppers.
Yeah, so today we'll put them in the pan and then put them in the oven, which takes, how long does that take?
30 minutes.
About 30 minutes.
Take the seeds out.
So, and there's never any telling, you never know if you've got hot jalapenos. Now, I know somebody's watching this and they're gonna say, oh no, the ones with the little black spots, those are the hot ones. And somebody else will say, no, the really big ones, those aren't hot. Somebody else will say, oh, the ones with the black around the stem, that's hot. I don't know. I've been surprised so many times. I'm serious, I don't think there's any rule. There's no rule. Because I've looked at them, I bought them, I said, I want some really hot ones. I get them and they were duds.
So when you get lucky, you pick the one that is not hot.
Yeah, see, some people can't handle the heat.
Are you talking to yourself?
Talking to you. Okay. Now the oven is already preheated, correct?
Yes.
Or what did you turn it to?
400.
400, okay. So they'll cook a little faster then. Okay,
Okay, so I will wrap it with bacon now.
you start wrapping.
So you have to stretch it out a little.
Stretch what out? Oh, the bacon?
Bacon.
Like,
Cover the whole.
you like to wrap it a couple of times, huh?
Yeah. It's easy to make and it's delicious. I love it.
You can amaze your friends, astound your enemies with this recipe.
Okay, you have to help me out here.
All right,
So we'll be quick.
we're trying to make this fast because some people are hungry already. I think she's better at this. I haven't done these in a while.
I usually turn it like this so it's easy.
Oh,
See? You're
Okay.
learning.
I've done this a million times. Little jalapeno popper spinner. Oh, we might not have enough room in this little pan. Can we double stack them?
No, you have to make a room.
Okay. Well, then what am I gonna do? Smush them? See, look at how big that one is. That's like a monster jalapeno. Here. Smush them together a little bit.
See, you can do it like this. It's simple.
Huh? Okay. Okay. 4 more. Okay. We might have to eat a couple raw. Okay, there we go.
More.
We need to make room. There's no room. Okay, go like that. Go like that. You're gonna have to double stack one. It'll be okay. Trust me.
Well, you have to see.
Yeah, see, it's double stacked.
No, it's not. Okay. Look,
Okay.
where is the double stack there? There's
See,
nothing.
they're double stacked right there.
Okay, so we'll put it in the oven now and wait 30 minutes. So after 30 minutes, there you go, it's ready. And it looks delicious.
Delicioso.
Delicioso. So let's try and see.
What is that? Do I have to go like that?
Mmm.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Really, really good.
And I think we got the hot jalapenos this time. Is yours hot?
No, mine is not hot.
Woo! Mine is hot. Well, we also have our ice cold, the sangria.
So it's really, really good. It's a little hot right now.
A little spicy or?
No, it's hot oven,
Oh, okay.
but
Oven hot, stove hot.
stove hot. So it's very simple and it's delicious. And you should try it and you might like it. So see you next time in our next vlog. Bye!